In this video, we will learn how to perform SQL query and how to find relevant information from the dataset. We have dataset from all around the world, and we have dataset from the different resources. But how to extract the correct information and the appropriate knowledge from the dataset, that is done with the help of SQL most of the times. So before moving to the exact query and the hands-on practice of the SQL, first we must understand what is the functionality part of SQL. So SQL query, first we write any SQL query and it is getting input into query language processor. Then query language processor is also inheriting parser and optimizer, which is the grammar part. And then we are moving towards DBMS engine, database management system, which is the actual repository of dataset. And this is also a querying file manager and transaction manager. Now, eventually we are getting physical database, which is on the board, and we are visualizing the entire part. Second thing, we are going to import the SQL server. I'll demonstrate how to open SQL server and how to download the SQL server. For that, before that we must understand what are different queries over there, what are the different types of queries. First is DDL, that consists create, alter, draw and truncate tables. We can create any table using simple command. You can alter the existing table, we can drop the table, and we can truncate the table. In the DML language, we can select the particular rows or particular column. We can select the insert, we can insert the existing values into the data set, into the table. We can update the table, we can delete the table, and secondly, we are having DCL, which is grant and invoke, and lastly, we have DCL. These last two columns are advanced part, and we are not going to cover in this section, but as of now, we will cover DDL and DML in this video series.